Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a course on Skool. So, Skool is designed for simple community-based courses, so you don't need complicated tools for tech knowledge. Just follow these steps and you will have a course ready quickly. First, step 1 is creating or opening your Skool community. So first, log into your Skool account. If you already have a community, open it. If not, click Create Community and choose a name, description and privacy settings. And your course will live inside this community, so this step is required. Now, step 2 is opening the classroom section. Once inside your community, click on Classroom from the top menu. This is where Skool courses are built. The classroom works in a lesson-based format, making it easy for students to follow along. Now, step 3 is adding your first course lesson. So click Add Lesson and enter a lesson title. Now, add your content and you can upload videos, write text, or add links and resources. Keep lessons focused and short so learners can complete them easily. Now, step 4 is organizing lessons in order. Create multiple lessons and arrange them in the order you want students to follow. You can drag lessons up or down to set the correct flow. This will help keep your course structured and easy to understand. Now, step 5 is setting access and drip settings. So if your community is paid, lessons are logged automatically. You can also drip lessons over time so students don't access everything at once. This works well for weekly or step-by-step courses. Now, step 6 is publishing and testing your course. Once everything is added, your course is live instantly. Open it as a student to check video playback, text formatting, and links. Fix anything that feels confusing before sharing it with members. And that's how you create a course on Skool. Simple setup, no complicated tools, and perfect for community-driven learning. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.